Get your bunny. What is it? Hit the button and make him giggle. Get him. Get the bunny. Get the Easter bunny. Make him giggle. Come make him giggle. What are you doing backing up? Come on over and get your Easter bunny. Come on. You eating Cheerios? Oh, did you drop a Cheerio? Yeah? Come here. Come get the bunny. Come get the Easter bunny. Come on, Liv. Oh, don't lean on that, Boo. Come here. Look. Mommy's going to hit the button. Isn't it funny? Come get it. Come on, come get your bunny. Oh, he's gonna hit the button. Come get it. Come on. Aww. Give him a kiss. Aww. Thank you. Thank you. Want me to put it on? You ready? You ready? Let's go. It's gonna giggle. Come here. Oh, don't kick him. What are you doing? That's the bunny. That's your Easter bunny. Thank you. It's funny, isn't it? Isn't he cute? Here, come here, I'll show you how you do it. Look. See this? See that button right there? Push that button. Push, go. Thank you. Okay, let's get some supper.